Lihleza, if singahlala phansi nearly said he made, but if Fro, what is the one thing you think ukuthi we'd all agree on? Like, let's say siyahlala phansi siyakhuluma, simbuze. What's the one thing you think everybody will agree on about you?
Yo, no, ifro uzokutshela ukuthi ulindelihle umuntu othanda abantu, umuntu wabantu, like umuntu othanda ukuthi swine sonke man as abantu, especially abantu abaseduze kwakhe.
Sure.
Ubafisela into enhle.
Yeah, makes sense to me.
Yeah, I love that so much. Now let's look at the catalog, Yak. I mean, you've made so many songs over the years.
Yo,
so many.
Kuzo
zonke that you've created, produced, or vocalized. Yeah. Which one are you most proud of?
Yabona umshove.
Yeah.
Angeke nyakha.
And it's timeless, ne?
Yeah.
It's timeless.
Classic one.
Manje, imedi yamazwi Mbali.
Hayi phela uye.
Mele azi ukuthi nango 666 umshove. Wafuthi sukusekhaya yabo. So it makes sense to me.
Yes.
Okay. And then let's ask you this question here, Guti. When did your relationship like with Kabza the Small actually begin? Because I understand Guti, you guys are all from Mpumalanga.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it was around 2015.
Yeah.
2015 ngidebana no Kabza.
Yeah.
But uKabza bekumuntu vele yabona uthi makafika yabona ungithole ngi-DJ avele yabo.
Sure.
So bengimfaka emaklabhini endaweni engidlala kuze acela ama slots, then samithana kanjalo sajoyelana sababangani vele.
Amazing. Lihleza, you speaking about DJ, there was a video of you by Trender. There was a shooting at a club and bongene ngaphansi kwamatafula. And ever since that incident, ngibona uhamba ama-gun range. Sekulate baba, ayiphelile shooting phela manje.
Kwazumuntu wrong. Kwazumuntu wrong.
No, mina ngibe nama close friends nje ngisusa.